Hello, my friends and viewers. Welcome to Ramada Deevana Patong Resort. So, this is a property which has two properties inside it. One is Ramada Deevana Patong, and another one is Deevana Patong Resort and Spa. So, stay tuned and relax and enjoy this beautiful property on your screen. Let's begin with the breakfast spread. Waffles and pancake station, eggs to order, ham, salami, a variety of juices, jams, spreads, butter, cheese, yogurts, cereals, and nuts. They have an amazing fusion of Thai cuisine, Asian cuisine, as well as continental and Indian as well. Now I will give you the room tour. Since we checked in very late at night, so you will not get to see the day view from our balcony. This is one of their many swimming pools in the property.
You will be very impressed with the landscaping, and the ambience overall gives a lot of positive vibes.
यहाँ पे फिटनेस सेंटर है, वो मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगा। ये वो ग्राउंड फ्लोर वाली लॉबी है। हाँ,
There's a kids club on the second floor with a lot of activities to keep your kids engaged while you indulge yourself into spa or fitness or take a dip in the pool.
7 to 21। हाय, नमस्ते। ये कम
The rooms are neat, clean, and have a lovely aroma. If you want to rejuvenate yourself, you can choose to take a spa option in this hotel. If you like this video, do like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.